جميل جدا. Let's explain and demonstrate. Yes. When it comes to the explanation, when you pray, this is my interpretation. When I pray with laymen, so it's not to students, صح? I do not want to offend them, especially if I'm leading the prayer and the Shaykh is praying. Yeah, خلاص. I do not look right and left to see whether they are like standing properly or not. I just pray. So when I pray in a masjid or a zawiyah where you expect laymen to join, I do this. And maybe I say staw. خلاص. And then we pray. Good. Second thing, al-manakib. What is al-mankib? This part. خلاص. يعني this side of your arm is shoulder. Yes. This is still shoulder, صح? This is al-mankib. It's where your arm meets your shoulder. Sometimes they say. خلاص. فيعني this part. al-mankib. And he means that my shoulder should be touching your shoulder. صح? How did he say it? He says, أن يحاذوا مناكبهم فإن رأى بين كل اختلاف المناكب ينقشهم. So they have to be on the same line even if they are not touching. But let's say that they are touching because we don't want to leave فرجة. صح? We don't want to leave a space between us. صح? So that's why the shoulders might be touching. They do not have to be. صح? They do not have to be. They have to be on the same line. So you should not take like a step forward or step back. It has to be a straight line. خلاص? جميل. It's physically impossible unless you are like, unless you will pray in a very uncomfortable position to think about it yet. خلاص. I can't see myself here, which is good. Show my feet as well. أيوة. Thank you. Yes, thank you. So it is physically impossible you see, I'm standing like naturally. خلاص. Look how my shoulders. خلاص. If you draw a line from my shoulders to the ground, it will fall here, not here, and not on my foot. Yeah, far from my Jamil. You see where I'm going, صح? Yeah. تعال بقى, please. You see what I'm talking about, صح? خلاص. Now we are standing. Actually, I need you as well. Please, معلش يا ماما. The people can see us. خلاص. Now this is like a straight line. خلاص. ماشي. We have to do something about it. I have to do something like this, and maybe and I do something like this, خلاص, in order to pray. And this is not how we were commanded to stand. I should stand naturally. This is not a natural position in the prayer. Yes, in order to not to leave any space. Good. And now they have not changed their positions or anything. They're just standing naturally. But imagine if there are other people and they are trying to do the exact same thing. Yes. Maybe make it simulation and touch. Yes. And widen the opening of your leg. Yeah. Now, where is his shoulder? It's not touching my shoulder. Why? بص what he did. Now he will be praying like this.
لا صدري.
So now it's a battle of elbows. Yes. You see what I'm talking about? طيب خلاص ماشي. أنا بقى يعني we did not study fiqh and we are listening to you. Now, why is this space okay and this space is not okay? يعني this has to be closed, this can be left open, this can be left open, but this has to be closed. Besides, I'm not standing naturally, yes? So if I stand naturally, even if I do not touch the shoulder, because shoulders should not touch, but if you allow this to be open and you do not allow this to be open, it's discrepancy. يعني. You understand what I'm saying? يعني you want this not to be open, but you allow this to be open. This is a discrepancy. Unless you think of the shaitan as like a human being, خلاص, who does not know how to start, يعني how to be here, خلاص, unless there is something I'm not sure يعني what is the logic here. It does not make any sense. It does not need the madhab to explain it. It's just very simple like this. طبعا the madhab explains that you should stand naturally. خلاص. وأن تعتدل. And it does not say any. والفرجة as he explained it. What did he say? Go see it. هات. Where is it? فإن رأى بين كل أيوة صح. ممكن بقى بين كل فرجة أمرهم أن يدنوا بعضهم من بعض حتى يتماس مناكبهم. فالفرجة is only problematic if our manakib are not touching. And by the way, طيب بس طبعا خلاص الوهابي has left the conversation once I said that we should not be touching يعني our feet. خلاص. But I'm talking to you now in Hanbali Madhab we say يعني ما قرب من الشيء يعطى حكمه. خلاص. القريب من الشيء له حكم الشيء. What does this mean? If it's close, then it's the same ruling. So we do not have to touch actually, but we can يعني come closer. خلاص. This is fine. We do not have. This is fine. خلاص. We are now touching our manakib. واضح؟ هذا هو المنكب. This part is the manكب. خلاص they are touching المناكب. But the feet can't be touching. It's either this or that. الإمام said المناكب. Do you know better? That's it.